We're in trouble, John. Mike's blood pressure has dropped into the mid-40s. His atrial blood pressure should be in the low teens. It's 35. I'm sorry, John. Without a new heart, he's not gonna make it.
You take mine. You heard me. Take my heart, and you put it in Mike.
John, you can't do this.
It's the only way.
No, you don't understand. Physically, you can't do this.
Yes, I can. I kill myself. You open me up, you take my heart.
Mrs. Archibald, we have some very good news for you.
Safety zone.
Is this for real?
The Learjet just landed at O'Hara. The helicopter's gonna be here in 15 minutes.
The parents of baby, they found our heart! John, it's a miracle!